children.
Hello, children. Today I want to talk to you about something that happens to files on our computers, but we often do not notice it. The topic for today is fragmentation. When we save files on a disk, they can get split into small pieces and stored in different places. This can make the computer work slower, but do not worry, I will explain how it all works. At the playground, the ladybug was telling the parrot that her computer had started acting strangely lately. Everything was taking a very long time. The parrot immediately suggested that she should empty the trash bin on her computer. The ladybug said she does that every day, but the problem still stayed. Then the parrot said maybe the computer got choked by too many bits. I explained to them that it was about fragmentation. The files were split into pieces scattered all over the disk, which made the computer take more time to read them. By the big tree, the little frog was telling the puppy that she had installed a game, and after a few days, it started loading very slowly. The puppy said it could be a fragmentation problem and suggested that from time to time she should organize the data on her computer using a special tool. The little frog admitted she had clicked the defragment button once, and indeed, the game worked better. I explained to them that defragmentation is a way to organize data, then the computer finds the needed information faster. On the flower meadow, the little rat and the sparrow were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and asked them what they knew about fragmentation. The little rat explained that when files are saved on the disk, the computer can cut them into pieces and scatter them, and then it has to look for them in different places. The sparrow added that over time, it becomes a mess, which makes everything slower, but it can be fixed by defragmentation. I praised them for their good answers. Fragmentation is the scattering of files that slows down the computer, but it can be fixed. Let us summarize, children, what we learned today. Fragmentation is when files on a computer are scattered in different places on the disk. This makes the computer slower because it has to search longer for the data it needs. To fix this, it is good to regularly use tools that organize data, like defragmentation. See you next time.